In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your own songs to your Snapchat story. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First of all, make sure your Snapchat is up to date, so go to your App Store and look for a Snapchat, because that's a quite new feature and you must be sure that your Snapchat is up to date. Now open Snapchat application, and here at the right we got some features, some icons, and let's tap on that music icon to add some sound in my story. And if I now swipe to the left in that menu, here at the right I see my sounds. Select that and here tap on create sounds, and that gives me two extra options like upload from camera roll. If I'll select that, I'll be able to choose any kind of video from my gallery, and if I select one of them, the application will take audio from that videos. And also I'm able to record sound. Select that, and here I can create sound. Right now I can sing a song, or I can play some music with guitar or piano or whatever else, and then I can use this music in my own Snapchat story. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.